The coffee shop is busy when I arrive. I can hear the machine before I open the door. That low, steady hiss of steam. Inside, there is a line, not long, 4 people ahead of me. I look up at the menu. It is on a blackboard on the wall. The letters a little uneven, like someone wrote it in a hurry. There are more options than I expected. Flat white, cortado, cold brew, oat latte. I have always had regular coffee, always. But today I want to try something different. The line moves. A woman in a yellow jacket steps up. Large caramel latte, please. Extra shot. She says it without looking at the menu. She already knows what she wants. I admire that a little. I move forward. The barista looks at me. She is young, probably early 20s. Her hair is tied back, and there is a small pen behind her ear. What can I get for you? A flat white, please. I say it before I can change my mind. She nods and writes something on a cup. Name? Alex. She sets the cup on the counter and turns to the next person. I find a spot near the window to wait. There is a man at the table beside me. He is working on a laptop, 3 empty cups in front of him, and he looks like he has been here for hours. I wonder if that is what I look like when I work in a cafe. Too many cups. Too many tabs open. A few minutes pass. Someone calls a name. Andy? Nobody moves. She calls it again. I look at the counter. 1 flat white sitting there. Andy? I walk over slowly. Might that be for Alex? She looks at the cup, then at me, and laughs a little. Oh yes, sorry, Alex. Here you go. I take it and go back to the window. The flat white is good. Smaller than I expected, but warm. There is a small pattern in the foam. A leaf. Or maybe a heart. It is hard to tell. I wrap both hands around the cup. Outside, people walk past quickly. A dog sits outside a shop across the street, very still, waiting for someone. Everything moving at its own speed. I take another sip. The machine starts again behind the counter. That same low hiss. And I think I should come back tomorrow. Same thing. No pressure. Nothing complicated. Just a flat white, please. And maybe this time she will get my name right.